Do you have a website, blog, squeeze page, e-commerce store, or landing page that you're driving traffic to in order to capture leads or make sales? Be it paid ads, viral traffic, video traffic, or free traffic. Do you know how much of that traffic is going to waste? Let me break it down for you. If your sales page converts at 5%, that means 95% of your traffic is wasted. If your lead page converts at 30%, that means 70% of your traffic is wasted. Which means, for all the effort, time, and money spent on creating your product, building your page, running your ads, driving traffic, only a small fraction actually converts. The rest? Gone. Lost forever. Now, if you're okay with throwing away 70 to 95% of your traffic, then by all means, keep doing what you're doing. But if you're serious about saving that traffic, converting more visitors, and boosting your ROI, then listen carefully, because it's not what you think. It's not because your website isn't pretty enough. It's not because people don't need what you're selling, or because your copy is weak. Here's the real reason they're leaving. It is because they don't have instant answers. Your website visitors have questions, doubts, and hesitations, but no one is there to address them in real time. And in today's world, people don't wait. They don't want to fill out a contact form. They don't want to send an email and hope for a reply. They don't want to think about it and come back later because they won't. If they can't get the answers they need right now, they're gone. Gone to a competitor that makes it easier to connect. Gone without clicking your buy button. Gone with no way for you to get them back. But what if you could change that in just one click? What if your website didn't just sit there like a digital brochure, but actually spoke to your visitors? What if, instead of losing potential buyers, your website could instantly engage them, start conversations, answer their questions, and even close sales for you? Automatically? Imagine this. A visitor lands on your page, curious but unsure. Instead of clicking away, they're greeted by a real-time AI-powered chat, video call, or even an SMS conversation. Their questions are answered and their doubts are crushed, all in real time. And the best part? You don't have to do a thing. You don't have to jump on calls. You don't have to type out responses. You don't have to hire a support team. It's all done by AI that chats with every visitor and even hops on a video call to take questions for you. So now, instead of visitors bouncing off your site, they walk away feeling like they just had a real, personal chat with you. Which means you get more engagement, you land more leads, your conversions increase, and you ultimately get more sales with less work and ad budget. This instantly takes a static, boring website and turns it into an AI-powered sales agent that works 24/7. The problem? Setting something like this up used to be a nightmare. You needed expensive developers to build custom integrations, complex chatbots that took weeks to train, plus costly third-party services just to connect with visitors in real time. And even then, it didn't always work the way you wanted. But now, that's history. Introducing Xteract AI, the game-changing AI-powered widget that transforms any website into an AI-powered sales agent. Xteract AI makes it ridiculously easy to turn website visitors into leads, sales, and paying customers in just 60 seconds. With this AI-powered assistant, you can now instantly connect with every website visitor via video calls, live chat, SMS, and intelligent AI responses, all by embedding a single link on any web page. Here's how it works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a template from 100+ pre-designed AI-powered video and chat templates. Or start from scratch and create your own interactive experience in minutes. Step 2. Customize your AI-powered widgets. Edit text, colors, CTA buttons, AI avatars, and voice prompts to fit your brand. Step 3. Copy and paste one line of code. Instantly embed AI video chat, SMS, call widgets, or AI pop-ups on your website, or share them via a custom link. And just like that, your website goes from being a passive brochure to an AI-powered, highly persuasive sales agent. Now imagine this in action. If a visitor is about to leave, Xteract AI instantly triggers a video pop-up offering a discount, bonus, or exclusive deal to keep them engaged. A prospect is stuck on your pricing page? AI launches a live chat session to answer their objections in real time. If a returning visitor lands back on your site, Xteract AI remembers them and re-engages them with a personalized message. And even if you have no website, no problem. You can generate an instant AI-powered landing page packed with built-in engagement tools, social sharing, QR codes, and more. All with Xteract AI. Wait, there is more. You also get AI-powered live chat and video calls, so you can speak directly with visitors or let AI handle their questions for you. AI-powered SMS and call widgets that lets customers text or call you instantly from your site, so they have no friction or no delays. Plus, AI-driven exit pop-ups and smart triggers that stops visitors before they leave and give them a reason to stay. And built-in AI landing page generator. Even if you don't have a website, you can still capture leads and close sales. That is not all, you also get minus. Seamless integrations that works with WordPress, ClickFunnels, Groove Pages, Shopify, and more. Access to 3 million plus stock videos and images you can use to make your AI widgets visually stunning. I am talking millions of royalty-free videos, GIFs, stickers, audio, icons, and more. All you gotta do is pick a template and customize it as per your needs, and bam! Your video calling widget or live chat widget is now ready, created automatically by our advanced AI. Oh wait, we haven't even told you the best part yet. We've only hinted at it. You can also sell this as a service to other businesses that are in desperate need of such interactive widgets. That's right. To help you maximize your profits, we have included the commercial license worth $497 for free. Just today. Look, technically skilled freelancers and agencies are making thousands of dollars helping businesses make their websites more interactive. They code day and night to create these widgets for them, and businesses are happily paying them their asking price. The fact is, there are around 1.9 billion websites and more than 252,000 new websites created every day. Just imagine if you can even land even a couple of them every week. That will be enough to start a hugely profitable business. With Xteract, you can create all these widgets needed today by every business to sell their products and services using their websites. And that too, without doing any hard work. All you need to do is pick a template and customize using a couple of clicks to create stunning widgets in any niche. Xteract positions you as a full-blown agency specializing in helping people make their websites more interactive. Without being an expert coder, without finding, hiring, and paying unreliable coders, and expensive agencies who charge an arm and a leg. Without being forced to learn any new skills, without buying any complicated and expensive tools. Sounds amazing, right? We think so too. Now, I must tell you that there are two very special things going on in this launch. First, we are giving away the commercial license, as you know, without the need to upgrade. And second, you can get access to Xteract at a very special one-time, massively discounted price. Look, we've been working on Xteract for over 13 months now and have spent over $35,000 to bring this to life. But after this special launch period ends, we simply cannot afford to keep this available for such a low price, and so we'll have to start charging a monthly fee along with a setup fee. Even during the launch itself, the price will increase every few hours. But for the next few hours, you can join Xteract as a founding member for a one-time fee only, with no commitments, no recurring payments, and backed by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I am sure by now you realize that you can't let this opportunity slip away. Feeling overwhelmed and excited at the same time? We get it. So let's just quickly recap all the awesome features you get with Xteract. Stunning video calling widgets to help you talk to your website visitors and answer their queries face-to-face. Live chat widgets to reply to your prospects' questions about pricing, functionality, and competitors of your products. Landing pages built in with viral traffic functions, QR code, and sweet and short shareable links. You also get access to millions of HD stock images, videos, etc., and lots more. Remember, this exclusive price that you see here is going to vanish soon. So what are you waiting for? This is tremendous. Click the button below and say hi to higher profits and sales.